76. Say, O Prophet, how can you worship besides Allah those who can neither harm nor benefit you? And Allah alone is the all-hearing, all-knowing. 77. Say, O people of the book, do not go to extremes in your faith beyond the truth, nor follow the vain desires of those who went astray before you. They misled many and strayed from the right way. The disbelievers among the children of Israel were condemned in the revelations of David and Jesus, son of Mary. That was for their disobedience and violations. 79. They did not forbid one another from doing evil. Evil indeed was what they did. 80. You see many of them taking the disbelievers as allies. Truly wicked are their misdeeds, which they earned from Allah's wrath, and they will be in everlasting torment. Had they believed in Allah, the Prophet, and what has been revealed to him, they would never taken those pagans as allies, but most of them are rebellious. You 82, you will surely find the most bitter towards the believers to be the Jews and polytheists, and more gracious to be those who call themselves Christian. That is because there are spirits and monks among them, and because they are not arrogant. 83. When they listen to what has been revealed to the messenger, you see their eyes overflowing with tears for recognizing the truth. They say, Our Lord, we believe, so count us among the witnesses. 84. Why should we not believe in Allah and the truth that has come to us, and we long for our Lord to include us in the company of the righteous? 85. So Allah will reward them for what they said with gardens under which rivers flow, to stay there forever, and that is the reward of the good doers. 86. As for those who disbelieve and reject our signs, they will be the residents of the hellfire. 87. O believers, do not forbid the good things which Allah has made lawful for you, and do not transgress. Indeed, Allah does not like transgressors. 88. Eat the good lawful things provided to you by Allah, and be mindful of Allah in whom you believe. 89. Allah will not call you to account for your thoughtless oaths, but He will hold you accountable for deliberate oaths. The penalty for a broken oath is to feed 10 poor people from what you normally feed your own family, or to clothe them, or to free a bondsperson. But if none of these is affordable, then you must fast 3 days. That is the penalty for breaking your oaths. So be mindful of your oath. This is how Allah makes things clear to you. So perhaps you will be grateful. 90. O believers, intoxicants, gamblings, idols, and drawing lots for decisions are all evil of Satan's handiwork. So shun them, so you may be successful. 91. Satan's plan is to stir up the hostility and hatred between you and with intoxicants and gambling, and to prevent you from remembering Allah and praying. Will you not then abstain? 92. Obey Allah and obey the messengers and beware. But if you turn away, then know that our messenger's duty is only to deliver the message clearly. 93. There is no blame on those who believe and do good for what they had consumed before the prohibition, as long as they fear Allah, have faith, and do what is good. Then they believe and act virtuously. Then become fully mindful of Allah and do righteous deeds, for Allah loves the good doers. 94. O believers, Allah will surely test you with the game within the reach of your hands and spears to distinguish those who fear Him in secret. Whoever transgresses from now on will only suffer a painful punishment. 95. O believers, do not kill game while on pilgrimage. Whoever kills game intentionally must compensate by offering its equivalence, as judged by just 2 men among you, to be offered at the sacred house, or by feeding the needy, or by fasting, so that they may taste the consequence of their violations. Allah has forgiven what has been done, but those who persist will be punished by Allah, and Allah is Almighty, capable of punishment. It is lawful for you to hunt and eat seafood as a provision for you and for travelers, but hunting on land is forbidden to you while on pilgrimage. Be mindful of Allah, with whom you all will be gathered. 97. Allah has made the Kaaba, the sacred house, a sanctuary of well-being for people, along with the sacred months, the sacrificial animals, and the offerings decorated with garlands. All this so you may know that Allah knows whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth, and that He has perfect knowledge of everything. 98. Know that Allah is severe in punishment, and that He is all forgiving, most merciful. 99. The messenger's duty is only to deliver the message, and Allah fully knows what you reveal and what you conceal. 100. Say, O Prophet, good and evil are not equal, though you may be dazzled by the abundance of evil. So be mindful of Allah, O people of reason, you may be successful.